Alright, so decided it was time for a new airbrush. Old airbrush just wasn't kicking it. If anything, it was kicking clumps of paint, and tried cleaning it, and it just didn't work. So decided it's time to get a new one. So went to Hobby Lobby, and choices were kind of narrow. But I got this. It's Iowata. I think that's how it is. Iowata Clips. I got the one that has the hose, the hoos, whatever you want to call it. They had one that was a little bit more expensive than that. It was like 150, but it didn't have all that shit. It's pretty much just that and something else. I don't know why this was on sale. This is brand new. I opened it already. There's nothing missing, nothing wrong, so don't know, but I'm not gonna complain about a good deal. So gonna use this few projects I've got planned. Custom painted locomotives, weathering, obviously. Go on for there. So when you open it, you get a real cool, like, wow, bumper sticker or sticker. It's a sticker. But what's actually really cool is I didn't know this about this company. They test all the airbrushes before for quality, and this is what this did. Obviously, it's upside down, but okay. So it works. I'm thrilled. You got maintenance, lube, whatever, paper. Quick start guide. It has, basic English, and then if you're feeling ambitious, you got your Japanese side right there. So what all comes with this, obviously, is your fancy ass airbrush. I think this is like a double throw or something. I don't really know what they're called. They're double something. It's push down, you get air. Pull back, you get paint, and then you can control it. I like that. And then you can control the pattern with that part right there. So that's neat. So that's that. And then you got this bottle that you use for that. It goes right there, and it just sucks it out with the straw that's in there. So you got your little wrench to tighten on the hose and stuff. I'll be testing out this brush here in the next few days. I'm probably going to give that a nice red coat. That's going to be Indiana, Ohio GP40-1, number 4036. So that's a project I've been slowly working on here and there. This does come with a couple things of paint. I don't know exactly what I'd use it for, but I've got it. That's cool. Airbrush cleaner. That's pretty cool that it comes with it. The lube, for maintenance, right in there, or wherever. Adapters. I think this is like a 6-foot cord. That's pretty nice. And your manual. So, just a quick start guide. So I got all that for about 130 bucks. Not bad. I thought I could use the Hobby Lobby 40% off coupon, but apparently you can't use it with the Your Price stickers or yellow stickers, whatever. And with that, I also got this stuff too. I'm gonna give it a try. I ran into a guy when I went into Hobby Lobby twice, and to get airbrush thinner, and he said that he uses it for his airbrush on model cars, and it works phenomenal. So, but at the price of $13.49, that's a little pricey. But I used that 40% coupon, so it was only $8. So, not too shabby. So, like I said, in the next few days, I'm going to be giving that there we go. That locomotive right there. A nice coat of red. All the detail parts mainly are on it, so it's already primed with the old airbrush, but gonna give it a try with this new one, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. So, again, Iwata by Anest Iwata, whatever that is. Not familiar with it, but I've got good faith in him, so alright, take it easy.